Hello and welcome. This is my tutorial on how to stake your ADA using the Yoroi Wallet Extension. What you'll need is ADA, first of all. You can get it from any exchange. I think Coinbase has it, Binance.us, Gemini, I'm not sure if they have it yet. You'll need a browser and pen and paper to save your seeds when you create your wallet. I highly recommend creating a new wallet and deleting it and using your seeds to make sure that you have the correct seeds. So yeah, you can download it for any of these browsers. And once you download it, the dashboard should look like this. This is where you create your wallet and restore. So for the sake of making this as short as possible, we're going to restore wallet, which I have already created. We're going to call it Bank of Fran because my name is Francisco. And yeah, let's just enter our seeds. Wow. Boop, 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 boop. Tourist, fan, brown. And as you can see, I forgot to hit enter. So it says it's missing a word. So let's hit enter and you'll get a little green light. If you enter one word wrong, you'll see that it immediately says it's an invalid key. Oh wait, let's select that one. Invalid recovery phrase. So let's fix that. Let's put brown and create a spending password, which is what we'll need to delegate to different pools. So this wallet, which I already created, is already delegating to a pool. I believe it's delegating to staking to Deadpool, which is a really cool pool. It has really good rewards. So, but here are the transactions that I've recently done. Every time I switch pools, it charges me about 0.01 ADA. So let's go and search for some pools. There's some websites which I'll leave in the description for you to do your own research on which pool is more profitable. So I'm just looking through delegation list for some of my favorite ones. So let's delegate to Smaug. I don't know how to pronounce that, but as you can see, it shows there's Twitter link, YouTube page, web page, Reddit. It also shows how much return ROA. What's that stand for? Return on ADA. Something about, I don't know, that's how much return you're getting yearly for your delegation, which is pretty high. It's pretty good. Over here, I think this is a glitch because it says 7 million, but it's gotta be just a missed decimal point somewhere. You're going to enter your password and hit delegate. It's gonna ask you to, if you want to go to your dashboard. Sure, let's go there. But you're gonna want to go to the transactions and wait for the transaction to go through. It takes about a minute, probably less. Let's see how long it takes. So yeah, I have 7 ADA in this wallet at the moment, and we're still delegating to Deadpool. But once the transaction goes through, it's gonna say low, and you'll see that you are now delegating to SMAUG. Every epoch is 5 days, and for you to get your first rewards, you'll have to wait 3 epochs, which is 15 days. And that's about it. I hope you have a good time staking your ADA. Oh yeah, and this is a really cool website, Smilecast. You can see everyone who has been delegating to this person. So I have 7.4 ADA being delegated. If I go down to the bottom, it'll show. Let me see. Yeah, right here. There I am, me with my 7 ADA delegating to Smaug. And I like this pool because he has a really cool website called pool.pm, which shows everything that's happening on the blockchain. And so let's go on pool.pm. And if you scroll down, let me see. I don't see it. Let me just find it. There we are. That's us. And that is how you delegate. And yeah, enjoy your rewards. Peace.